You guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson, and in today's video we are going to do a quick and easy way to stuff and secure a stuffed animal inside of a balloon. Now, to do so, you are going to need a wide neck balloon. Now, you got a couple of options right here. You have this one. When I say wide neck balloon, if you look at this part of the balloon, you can see how wide it is. This is the neck of the balloon. See that? And here's a second option you can use. This one is wider. This is perfect for bigger stuffed animals or bigger items that you're going to stuff your balloons with. And this one is a little different. If you can see, it has this little valve right here. This is where you pump up the balloon. This is where you stuff the balloon, okay? But for today's video, we are going to rock with this balloon. The reason why I chose this one is because the stuffed animal that I'm going to use is pretty small, if you can see. So it should fit in here. We're gonna see what it do, okay? All right, you guys. We're going to start with our stuffed animals, and we are going to prep this stuffed animal. So we're gonna rock with Minnie today. Okay, I'm simply going to okay, and then we're also going to use fishing line. We get this at Walmart. I picked this up at Walmart. I think it was like $5 or so. I want to say under $5. I can't remember. Don't quote me on that. But you can pick this up at Walmart, or you can order it off of Amazon. All right. Then you're going to use a needle. I also got these from Amazon. I'll try to remember to leave the link down in the description box. Okay, you guys, simply blow up your balloon with electric or hand pump. Then you want to take a 260Q balloon and wrap it around your the neck of the balloon. Adjust the fishing lines for your stuffed animal, and then simply tie a couple of knots. Boom, there you have it. Now there's also my favorite way to secure a stuffed animal. I need you to please check out this video right here if you want to learn how. With that being said, thank you for watching, and y'all have a blessed one.